Welcome to today's video, where we will explore how to easily manage notifications on the Pocket FM app. If you listen to stories, audiobooks, or podcasts regularly, managing your notifications helps you stay focused while avoiding distractions. First, open the Pocket FM app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, look at the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. After that, select the option called Manage Notifications. Here, you will see different categories such as Show Recommendations, Subscribed Show Activity, Comment Replies, Activity on your show, and even an option to allow WhatsApp notifications. Finally, turn off any category you do not want to receive and keep only the ones that matter to you. By following these steps, you can make sure you only get the updates that are important for you. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others.